Wishing you the best this holiday season and into the new year from the board, management, and staff of Innovation Credit Union. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the management and staff of Diamond Energy Services in Swift Current.
After 18 months of behind-the-scenes planning, the City, Health Region, and both the Chinook and Holy Trinity School Divisions publicly signed an agreement to work together and hopefully build a new multi-use facility. All of the groups have aging buildings and existing facilities that are in need of upgrades. The initial plan for the integrated facility reveals a new school for both divisions, a new long-term care facility, and city rec facilities such as a new pool and library. And as Mayor of Swift Current Jared Schaefer explains, the new agreement will help each group further their project plans.
What the benefit of this concept or facility would be to have kind of like a campus setting where everything is in one area and the partners can actually take advantage and enhance their services and abilities by leveraging off those of the others. So as I said, sharing a public library that's run by the city with the school divisions, or having health incorporate aquatic and leisure facilities into their therapy services.
The plan is to see the four groups support each other, but as it stands, the Holy Trinity School Division is the only partner that has funding approved. The province gave the school division a grant earlier this year to build a new school to replace the two existing Catholic schools in Swift Current. The division will go ahead with public consultations this January and say they'll help the other groups to get their projects off the ground.
Hopefully, once the momentum starts with something starting to shape up with our school, it might help get momentum for some of these other projects to get going as well.
As it stands right now, the Chinook School Division is hoping to build a joint school with Holy Trinity, but they're waiting on funding before this will happen. As for the other groups, the Cypress Health Region is also waiting on funding for the much-anticipated new long-term care facility in the city. They're hoping this new partnership will help gain them some leverage to receive provincial dollars for long-term care.
Whenever you've got community groups such as ours all working together and not working against each other and not in silos or anything like that, I think it'll bode well for us as far as getting the funding to move on all our projects.
The city hopes to build a number of new buildings, including a new art gallery and soccer fitness center. But we'll have to wait a number of years before they can get the money to make that happen.
It's not like you're going to look at the 2011 budget and see millions and millions of dollars allocated to this facility. No. Right now, the city's planning is largely dependent on our partners in terms of funding for the long-term care when that's announced, if the city's a partner in that regard. Looking at the announcement, hopefully, of Chinook, and obviously Holy Trinity is coming.
And as many of the groups involved are still looking to secure funding for this project, signing the agreement was the first of many steps that will have to happen before this project goes through. But if it does, the plan is to build it right here behind the regional hospital. For Southwest TV News, I'm Kara Repke.